NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has hardly opened its eyes, and the universe is new, more mysterious, more beautiful than humanity's dreams. And all these little dots are stars?
All these little dots are galaxies, some of which are bigger than our own.
Breaking news. We may have just found potential evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth.
This is a huge discovery, and we think that it's a huge discovery. And that's the most exciting piece of this telescope, of this remarkable instrument we put in space, is finding things that we didn't expect, that we can't explain, because that means that we have to revise our understanding of the universe.
Well, JWST is so phenomenal that if you spend enough time, you could probably find any galaxy that ever formed in the universe. It's really that powerful.
Yet look past our planetary group to the following closest star, Proxima Centauri. And that is 24 trillion miles away, which sounds like a lot. Yet in space terms, it's our neighbor. Now, researchers are hailing a significant discovery. Another planet, which they've called Proxima b. At only 4 light-years away, it's relatively near us. It's roughly the same size as Earth, and because it's the perfect distance from its star, it might be the right temperature to have liquid water and possibly life. This is a game changer. Astronomers have hit the jackpot. This is their dream come true. A new chapter in cosmology has opened up. After examining 4,000 extrasolar planets, we've finally found the closest one that looks very similar to Earth. Proxima Centauri b. This planet orbits one of the stars in a triple star system. NASA has discovered a super-Earth that could have conditions to support life. The new exoplanet is 137 light-years away, or approximately 800 trillion miles. Space experts say the planet is about 1.5 times the size of Earth and circles a small red star that is cooler than our Sun. It's very exciting. While we haven't found an exact twin for Earth, this isn't far off. Out of the latest haul of 500 new potential planets, this one is a bit larger than Earth, about 50% larger. It's been named Proxima b. Despite its star being much cooler than the Sun, the planet is in the perfect zone for liquid water to exist on its surface. This means it could, in theory, support life. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has captured something stunning on Proxima b. Mysterious lights gleaming from the planet. Proxima b, only 4 light-years away, might not simply be a rocky body in space. It might be coming alive. These lights seem too intentional to ignore. Let's prepare ourselves and delve deeper into the unknown. Could these lights mean we're not alone? Signs of activity on Proxima b have intrigued scientists. David Kipping, a notable astronomer at Columbia University, believes Proxima b is complex. Unlike most rocky planets, which absorb sunlight and emit infrared energy, Proxima b behaves differently, almost as if it has a story to tell. What dark secrets might lie beneath its surface, waiting to be uncovered? The James Webb Space Telescope has given us an unprecedented window to study this planet. It's even possible to observe its day and night cycles, which occur every 11 Earth days. If it turns out the planet has an atmosphere, the next logical step is to study its chemical makeup. If there's oxygen, water vapor, or methane, we could be looking at a place that is habitable, or at least capable of supporting life. Proxima b might not be the friendly twin of Earth we're hoping for. The intense radiation from its star could strip away any atmosphere it has, making it a tough place to survive. Moreover, one side of the planet might always face the star, meaning one side would be perpetually hot while the other remains freezing cold, a bit like Earth being trapped in eternal day and night simultaneously. Red dwarf stars like Proxima Centauri tend to stick around for an incredibly long time. That's a lot of time for life to adapt and evolve. Even though the planet is bombarded by solar winds, something there might be tough enough to endure. These surprising possibilities push researchers to look further and study planets that might not seem like the best candidates for life. Who's to say life couldn't thrive in a place that doesn't resemble Earth? Our own planet is filled with extremophiles, tiny organisms that thrive in environments that would kill most other life forms. Acidic pools, boiling heat, freezing cold, they can handle it all. If Earth has life tough enough to survive that, why not Proxima b? Then there's the tantalizing possibility that the lights on Proxima b aren't random. If there truly are city lights on the planet, it implies someone is there. Someone smart enough to harness energy and thrive. It's a lot to think about. If we're seeing evidence of intelligent life, it means we're not alone. And that changes everything. The JWST is giving us a taste of what's out there. Upcoming telescopes like the Extremely Large Telescope (ELT) will take this even further, providing clearer views, more detailed data, and perhaps direct evidence of alien atmospheres. Researchers are already envisioning ways to block the glare of stars to better observe the planets orbiting them, like using your hand to shield your eyes from the sun so you can see what's in front of you. Distinguishing between gases produced by volcanoes and those created by living organisms is challenging, but scientists are working on it. They want to ensure they're not being fooled by natural processes in their search for signs of alien life. The possibility that there could be trillions of planets out there, some of which might harbor life, is enough to keep the search going, even without solid proof yet. Perhaps, just maybe, those lights are a sign that we're not alone in this vast universe. Maybe it's the beginning of something much bigger, an interstellar connection that stretches across the stars. As we dive deeper into the mysteries of Proxima b, it's worth exploring the planet's unique features and its interactions with its star. Proxima Centauri, unlike our Sun, is a red dwarf star. These stars are cooler and smaller, but they make up around 70% of all stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Because red dwarfs burn fuel slowly, they live for billions of years, much longer than larger stars like our Sun. This long lifespan could be crucial for nurturing potential life forms, providing a vast amount of time to adapt and evolve. The planet's orbit around Proxima Centauri is delicate. It might host life forms that have endured extreme conditions for countless ages. One of the biggest challenges for any life on the planet would be the intense stellar flares typical of red dwarf stars. Proxima Centauri, in particular, is known for powerful flares that emit enormous amounts of energy and radiation into space. This radiation could strip away a planet's atmosphere over time, making it less hospitable for life as we know it. But what if life there evolved differently? Perhaps it has found ways to shield itself from these harsh conditions. Or maybe it exists below the surface, safe from harmful radiation. These are the questions that keep scientists fascinated and motivated to learn more. The strange lights on Proxima b could tell us something about life there. JWST's ability to detect chemical signatures in the atmosphere could provide answers about how life might survive in such extreme conditions. By analyzing the atmosphere, scientists could determine if the planet has a thick layer of gases that might act as a protective shield, preventing the worst of the stellar radiation from reaching the surface. If an atmosphere is found, the next question is, what does it consist of? The presence of chemicals like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and methane could indicate biological processes, much like they do on Earth. If there are lights on the planet, what could be causing them? Are we dealing with advanced technology like city lights illuminating the dark, or could it be a natural phenomenon we've yet to understand? The mysteries surrounding Proxima b are a constant source of fascination for scientists and astronomers. Its proximity to Earth makes it an ideal target for continued exploration, and advancements in technology will only increase our understanding of its secrets. The ability to analyze its atmosphere, study its surface features, and observe its interaction with Proxima Centauri could lead to revolutionary discoveries. As researchers continue to explore, they are also considering the implications of potential intelligent life. If the lights on Proxima b are indeed signs of an advanced civilization, what could their existence mean for humanity? Communication would be an incredible challenge. Light years of distance create significant delays. But if a method could be devised, it might open a new chapter in our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Even if Proxima b hosts life that is not intelligent, it would still be monumental. Discovering microbial or plant-like organisms would confirm that life is not unique to Earth, proving that the conditions for life can arise elsewhere. Such a finding would fuel the search for life on other planets, both within our solar system and beyond. Planets like Mars, Europa, and Enceladus would become even more critical targets for exploration, as their environments may mirror Proxima b's conditions in some ways. Looking to the future, missions designed to study Proxima b in detail could involve sending probes equipped with advanced sensors. These probes would analyze the atmosphere, map the terrain, and perhaps even detect surface activity. The next generation of telescopes, such as the ELT and other space-based observatories, will provide the precision needed to detect faint signals and study Proxima B's unique characteristics with unparalleled clarity. However, scientists are cautious. They understand the risk of interpreting data through an anthropocentric lens. Natural phenomena might mimic signs of life or civilization. For example, volcanic activity or other geological processes could explain the lights observed on Proxima b. Separating natural causes from potential biological or technological ones requires careful, unbiased analysis. Despite these challenges, the excitement surrounding Proxima b is undeniable. It represents the next frontier in humanity's quest to understand the cosmos. Each new discovery brings us closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Whether Proxima b harbors life or not, its study will teach us more about the conditions that make planets habitable, the dynamics of exoplanetary systems, and the potential for life elsewhere. As we continue to look outward, the search for life on Proxima b and beyond reminds us of the vastness of the universe and our shared curiosity to uncover its secrets. Whether it's microbial life under alien skies or the lights of an advanced civilization, Proxima b stands as a beacon of possibility, urging us to explore further and dream bigger. Created advances that permit them to store energy for extensive stretches, enabling them to endure the unforgiving heavenly climate. Or perhaps they found ways of harnessing geothermal energy from the planet's core, an innovation that we're just beginning to explore here on Earth. These are the sorts of questions the JWST and future telescopes could help answer. For now, scientists are focused on gathering as much data as they can to learn more about the atmospheric conditions, surface temperatures, and the potential for water. The upcoming Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, will play a significant role in building on what the JWST has started. With its massive mirror and advanced technology, the ELT will be able to take much more detailed pictures and gather more specific data about the planet and other exoplanets like it. One day, we might even directly image an alien world in such detail that we could see signs of civilization. That possibility is truly astounding. The ELT, along with other future projects like the Habitable Exoplanet Observatory and the Large Ultraviolet Optical Infrared Surveyor, could help us see exoplanets in ways that were previously unimaginable. They could give us a glimpse of city lights, moving vehicles, or even vegetation patterns, anything that might indicate the presence of intelligent life. However, even if we don't find definitive evidence of an alien civilization, the search itself is incredibly valuable. Every piece of data we gather helps us understand more about the universe and our place in it. The discovery of the planet and the potential lights on its surface are just the beginning of what could be a long journey toward understanding whether we are alone. If there is life on the planet, it could be completely different from what we're used to. It might be microbial life thriving beneath the surface in a hidden ocean, or it could be something entirely beyond our comprehension. We want to find out if we're alone. Is there someone else out there, looking up at the stars and wondering the same things we are? The JWST has given us the tools to start answering those questions in ways that were never possible before. By studying this planet, we're not just searching for life. We're searching for a connection, a shared existence in a universe that often feels overwhelmingly vast and empty. As we continue to develop new technologies and explore further into space, the possibilities are endless. We might find that this planet is just the tip of the iceberg, that there are countless other planets out there with the right conditions for life. We could discover that life can exist in forms we've never imagined, thriving in environments that seem entirely hostile. Or we might find signs of advanced civilizations, beings that have overcome the same challenges we face and found ways to thrive among the stars. Whatever we find, the journey itself is worth it. The search for life on Earth and beyond reminds us that we are part of something much greater. We are explorers by nature, driven to push the boundaries of what we know and discover what lies beyond. And as we look out into the universe, we might just find that we're not alone after all. The mysterious little exoplanet orbiting our nearest stellar neighbor Proxima Centauri has captured everyone's attention. Scientists, space enthusiasts, and anyone who dreams about what's out there. Why? Because this planet sits only about 4 light-years away. In space terms, that's practically next door. And that's enough to make us wonder if, just maybe, something alive is out there, or if we might one day pack our bags for it. Challenges stand in the way of learning more about Proxima b. The effort to uncover its secrets began with the JWST, launched in December 2021. This telescope has some remarkable capabilities. It can peer deep into space in ways nothing else ever could, like looking through a cosmic fog with infrared glasses. And the planet? It was just the kind of target the JWST was built for. Webb could analyze light coming from Proxima Centauri that passed through the planet's atmosphere, allowing us to glimpse its composition: water vapor, methane, oxygen, the kinds of things that could indicate life. When the data from the JWST arrived, it was like opening a mystery box. We got some hints that maybe, just maybe, the planet had the right conditions for water. But, and this is a big but, the planet is ridiculously close to Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star known for its nasty radiation flares. These flares could fry any living thing on the planet's surface. So now there's a lot of debate. Could anything really survive there, or is it just too harsh? Maybe it's more like a dead wasteland. Or maybe it has some freakishly tough organisms hiding underground. Who knows? Then there's the idea of actually going there. Forget the rockets we have now. They're nowhere near fast enough for this kind of trip. We're talking thousands of years, even if you could somehow live forever. Enter crazy ideas like Breakthrough Starshot. These folks have a plan to send tiny probes to Proxima Centauri using light sails. They'd use powerful lasers on Earth to propel these probes to about 20% the speed of light. If it works, they could reach the planet in just a few decades. Now we're talking. This Starshot idea is absolutely wild. Imagine tiny probes, no bigger than a smartphone, zipping through space at incredible speeds, snapping pictures and sending back data. We're nowhere near launching this yet. There are tons of technical challenges to overcome. But if it happens, it would be incredible. We'd finally get a good look at the planet and maybe even know for sure if there's anything living there. Proxima b has everyone excited, not just because it might host life, but because studying it is driving innovation. Observing it means gathering heaps of data and figuring out how to interpret it. Scientists are increasingly relying on artificial intelligence to help. Advanced algorithms are learning to pick up on the faintest signals that could indicate the planet's atmosphere, or even alien life. AI might just be the unsung hero here, sifting through the static so we can focus on what matters.